Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn your photo into a Minecraft style character. And the best part, you can do it in just a few clicks. And it's completely free. Okay, let's get started. First, you will need a Dream Face app. If you don't have it yet, just head over to the Play Store and search for Dream Face. And then just download it and then install it. When installed, just open the app and just sign up using your Google account. And the nice thing is, Dreamface gives you free weekly credits plus a limited number of daily generations. So you can try it out without spending a cent. After you log in, you will land on the home page like this, and then just tap on AI filters, and then just scroll down until you find cosplay, this one, and then just search for Minecraft for the Minecraft character filter, and then just select your photo or upload your photo. For the best result, just pick a clear image of your face and preferably with good lighting. And once you're done, just hit edit button. Okay, this is looks good. The face just became a Minecraft character like this. It's turned everything into blocky pixel art like this. It looks like the photo just stepped into the game. And okay, if you happy with the result and want to download the photo, just tap on the download button. And that's it, super easy, right? If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.